Miniature chicken. Ingredients: 2 small boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: start by seasoning the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat the olive oil in a small skillet over medium-high heat. Once the skillet is hot, add the seasoned chicken breasts. Cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Let's gather the ingredients for our miniature sauce. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and salt and pepper to taste. If you like, you can also have some chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Now let's prepare the sauce. In the same skillet used to cook the chicken, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute or until fragrant. Then, pour in the chicken broth and give it a good stir, making sure to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the skillet. Allow the broth to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce slightly. Next, stir in the heavy cream and continue to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Return the cooked chicken breasts to the skillet, turning them to coat in the sauce. Let the chicken simmer in the sauce for an additional minute or until heated through. If you like, garnish with chopped fresh parsley. Serve your miniature chicken and sauce hot, either as a standalone dish or with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy.